At resumption, some of the students of Duin International Academy in Byazhin are now having an instructor with them in the computer room. Bismillah.
All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Jazakumullah khairan. Ijlisu. This morning we are starting a different series of learning, and we are beginning with the aspect that concerns IT, information technology, and we'll be looking at various aspects of the IT world, various aspects of the
IT world.
All right. We'll look at what is called the AI. We'll look at the ML. Say ML.
ML.
Who knows what AI is? AI represents artificial intelligence. Artificial
Intelligence.
Then ML concerns machine learning. Machine.
Learning.
All right. Then we'll look at programming. We'll look at
Programming.
web design. We'll look at
Web design.
Then we also understand the computer hardware and the software. The computer
Hardware and the software.
Very good. We'll also look at some common applications that are used in the computer. Common what?
Application that are used in the computer.
Very good. To carry out some tasks. So afterwards, as soon as we complete each of these phases, we'll also be having a project that we'll be doing alongside. Okay? All these things we have talked about, they are things that are vocational, they are skills that you can learn. You can learn any of them, you can advance more on any of them, and even after your school or while you're still in school, you continue to practice at home, and at the end of the day, you could build your profession from there. Is that okay?
Yes.
Alright, so you could become an IT expert, you could become a very, very useful and sound employee if you decide to be an employee. If you want to be self-employed, maybe having your own company to do any of these things too, it's something you can do. Alright? We all know that the world is fast growing. The world is fast
Growing.
Yes. The way we have technology today is not the same way we have had it in the past. There is a fast advancement in the world of ICT, in the world of,
ICT.
when I say ICT, it represents information
Communication technology.
communication technology. Very good. So that involves everything that we do. When you say the world of ICT, it involves everything that you do that concerns your digital life, whether it has to do with communication, when you're using something, a medium to communicate between one person and another, or between one device and another. Communication, it could be your phone, the mobile phone you have, that's about communication. It could be the land phone that you have, it could be the internet. That's another space again, the internet, which is also part of what we'll be looking at. It could also be the computer itself. It could be the television. These are all things that are involved in the digital world. So as far as ICT is concerned, we look at various practicals. What we are going to be doing this is, it will help us to understand the area that you like most as an individual. The area you like most as an individual. We are going to be able to identify it. Maybe by the time we start programming, you see somebody that will say, oh, I love programming. And what is programming about? It's just for you to give some instructions to the computer to have some tasks done. You understand? Just to put some things together, put some codes together. technologies together to form the information and communication technology. Are we clear? Alright. So, when you say information technology, simply it is just every technology that is behind or used to manipulate information. As we proceed, by the time we start all of this, you also get to see an aspect that has to do with what is called data analytics. We'll also be introduced to that. And that one also will be very useful for so many of us as time goes on. Alright? So, back to what we said earlier, the ICT. We said we have the information technology and then we have communication technology. By the time you bring these two together, you now have the information and communication technology. For the communication technology, I gave you a hint as to what that means. Now, by the time I'm picking up my phone to talk to somebody somewhere else, the communication technology is happening already. Is that clear? Because I'm trying to communicate with another device or another person. When I say device, what do I mean? Device means anything that we use, any instrument, any item that we use in the IT world, in the information and in the ICT world, any device we use. This item is a device. This is what? A mouse, which is another device. Same way you have the keyboard, it's also a device. You have the monitor, it's a device. So you have all sorts of devices. Alright? So if you're communicating between one device and another, it means they should be able to, when you say communication, communication is when something moves from this place, from one end to another end, and whatever has left this place to the other side is also understood on the other end. If I say, what is your name? I have asked a question. What will you do? Or what will you say? You say your name is Ishaq, right? Now, he's saying his name is Ishaq because he understood what I said. And that means we have communicated. I have passed the message to him. He has received the message. And he has understood the message. He has interpreted the message. And now is now responding based on that message. That is responding to the message he received. So it means for a communication